泣くほど悔しかったらもっと強くなってみせろ。Guys, I have important announcement to make. This is my last day and sad to say I'm not going to teach you anymore, but I refer you to your next sensei, to your new teacher. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. This is my last day today in this channel. Sayonara. What's up mga Hitsuraang, mga choy, mga chay? This is Kakashi Sensei, your new teacher, and I hope you guys will enjoy my tutorials, and I'm glad that the other sensei is at his last day today since I don't like him too, so thank God he's out for today. So I'm here, your new sensei, and I hope you guys will support me too, like you support the not so handsome sensei compared to me. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, so today's lesson is all about Japanese numbers. So here we go. Let's open Photoshop. Okay, Japanese numbers. Okay, so how you write number 1? Simple. That's I-chi. 1. How you write number 2? That's ni. Okay, number 3. That's sam. Ich, ni, sam. Okay, so how about number 4? So yon, that's yon. Or sometimes it's called shi. Ich, ni, sam, shi. Or ich, ni, sam, yon. 5. How you write 5? That's go. Ich, ni, san, shi, go. How you write 6 in Japanese? That's roku. Roku. Okay, how you write 7? That's nana. Nana. Or sometimes called shichi. Nana or shichi. It's either you can use nana or shichi. 8 is hachi. Hachi. Okay? 9. Okay, so that's Q. Q. Number 10 is Ju. Ji. Chichai Yu. Ju. Okay, so the next is 11. So Ju plus Ichi. Okay, so it becomes Ju Ichi. 11. And so on and so forth. So until Ju Q. Okay, until Ju Q. 19. So how you write that one in Japanese? So from 20, you just have to put Ju ni plus Ju to become 20. Ju. That's 20. 21. 21. 22. 22. 23. 24. So on and so forth until you get to 29. 29. So that's 29. Like 20, you just have to change ni to san to become san ju. San ju. That's 30. And you just have to add ichi. 31. San ju ichi. 31. San ju ni. 32. San ju san. 33, and so on and so forth. 100 in Japanese. Hia, ku. 101, you just have to add ichi. 101, so that's hyaku ichi, hyaku ni, hyaku san, so on and so forth. 120, hyaku niju. 130, hyaku sanju, hyaku yonju. So how you write sen in Japanese? Se, sen. How about 1,500? That's sen, go, yaku. So how about 5,000? That's go, sen. Okay, until you get to Q sen, 9,000 Q sen. Okay, how about 10,000? How you say that is ichima. Ichima. So what if 2? Niman. Okay, so simple. That's ni. Ma. 100,000 in Japanese. That's ju. Ju. Ma. Okay. Ju ma. 40, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's mang already, mang. So here, that's, so since ju, okay, ju, that's why it become ju mang, 200. Okay, count 4 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, to be, that's mang already, mang. Okay, so ni, so that's ni, ju, mang. It's easy. How about 1 million? Okay, so simple. You just have to count 4 zeros. Okay, 4 zeros. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. And read this one. Read. That's 100. So yaku. Yaku. Okay, so here is mang. Okay, so that is hiya, hiyaku mang. Simple. So on and so forth. 10 million. So that count 4 zeros. 1. Sorry. Okay, count 4 zeros. The 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's mang. Mang. Count 4 0. 1, 2, 3. So you'll read this one. Read. So what is that one? This is sang. That is sang. So therefore that's sang mang. Sang mang. So fixed word for this is ichi oku. Ichi oku. That's 100 million. Okay, so you just have to read 4 zeros. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 8 zeros. That's oku. So you will read this one. That's ju. So therefore that's ju oku. Simple. Okay, so let's go to the last but not the least. Icho. 1 trillion. Okay, so you just have to add. So okay, 1 trillion is I chicha tsu, chi chicha yo, chu, icho. So that's it for me, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next HK tutorials. And this is Kakashi Sensei in behalf of Hitsuraang signing off. Peace.